Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel Drabtofab. How are you all? I hope all are doing great, and I'm extremely sorry for not being very consistent these days. I know I'm going very busy, sorry for that. But anyways, coming back to the topic, today's video is going to be a DIY which is very easy, very easily available. What are the things you need? You will be knowing that soon. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Today this face pack which I'm going to share is very easy. You just need three things, that is orange, whole wheat flour and honey. That's all. But trust me, if you do this face pack twice a week, you will surely see the results. So what does this pack do? This pack will give you a glowy skin for sure. It will fight pigmentation and it also acts as a gentle exfoliator. So if you are ready, without further ado, let's see the process. So I'm back after washing my face and it's feeling very soft, clear and bright. I hope you can see that glow and that bright effect on my face before and after one. And I have not applied anything right now. It's my clear, complete, bare skin. But definitely I'm going to apply some toner and moisturizer because it feels little bit on the drier side. So for toner I'm using Biotic Bio Honey Water Toner. It's almost end, but I love this one. It's very nice for everyday use even. Obviously we use toner in everyday only. So I'm just going to take some on my palm and pat it like this. And then pat it on my face as well. Oh, it feels so relaxing. Once it's done, I'm moving on to moisturizer. For that, I hope you know, if you are following from day one, I'm using only this moisturizer from day one. It's none but Mond's Light Moisturizer. Also almost over. Love this one. Take a good amount of moisturizer always. Alright, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this DIY, and if you try, please let me know in the comment section. I'm personally completely loving this glow, this natural kind of a glow, if you can see. So yes, with that, I will take a leave and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.